Welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Sully from Monsters Inc. as a pumpkin. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And leaving a gap moving over on the right. Let's replicate that. On the right hand side we're going to draw in the letter C, curving this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, curving this line back, around, and then up towards the top. Now from here on the inside corner, we're going to curve this line around, back in, and then we'll replicate this on the left eye as well. For the nose in the center now, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. From this corner, we're going to curve this line down towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, joining that together at a point. Let's draw in the mouth underneath now. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from the left to right hand side. Now for the teeth on the right, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And then stepping further in, making that slightly smaller. Let's replicate that. Now let's draw in our eyebrows. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw the straight line that comes up. And then we're going to leave a gap, replicating that over on the left. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line down towards the side. On the right hand side, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up, and we'll do the same thing on the left. For our left eyebrow, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line across towards the corner. Now on the top right, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now let's draw in the horns. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the left, and we will replicate that. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line back down on the side. Now for the shape of the pumpkin in the middle, we're going to draw in an arch line in the center. And then on both sides, we're going to curve this line across towards the corner of our horns. For the stalk in the middle now, we're going to curve this line up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line over towards the side. On the left, we're going to curve this line down, leaving a gap. We'll replicate that. For the bottom of the pumpkin now, on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then up on the right. On the right-hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and then further up. And then again, as we move over on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then further up again. Now as we come beside our horn here, we're just going to curve this line around and then underneath. And then again, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the bottom. On the side of the face now, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Sully from Monsters Inc. as a pumpkin. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.